everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video which is coming to you late, and I apologize for that. This is the Artisan KnitCrate for March, and I know I already put out the one for April, but this one it came when I was on holiday. I had to pick it up at the post office, so I couldn't do it before I did the April one, but I guess it's never too late. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. We know the theme for the month of March was sugar, and it says light like marzipan and fresh French macaroons. These fruity candied color tones are just what we need coming out of cold weather and headed into spring. I loved my membership KnitCrate for March. I made the Tegna sweater with it. I love the wool. I love knitting with it. It's just amazing. The Artisan Crate, you get two patterns, one a beginner pattern and one an intermediate, more advanced pattern. And if I'm right, let's see, yeah, it's a shawl or a scarf. This is the beginner, and it's called Breezy, and as you can see is this chevron stripy beautiful wrap, and the intermediate one is more like a lace, so it's a lot bigger. But to be honest, I quite like the beginner better than this one. They're both by the same designer, but they're beautiful, and I believe this is cotton. We'll see, but this is so exciting. Oh, let's see what else we get. Ooh, oh, you get a little sheep. This is cute. I wonder what you do with it. Maybe you can wrap yarn on it. I don't know, but it's so cute. Just to have it around is cute. Oh, sorry. You also get a butterfly boxes, a KnitCrate for refugees. So if you're living in America, you can knit some, or even if you're not in America, you can still knit some and send it to butterfly boxes, and it will help the refugees in the United States. And then, oh, the yarn is soft, and oh my goodness, it's got 3 skeins. Oh wow, this is nice. Be so tender. Co-yarn. Oh, the yarn is by the designer Kristen Omdahl, because it's called KO yarn. KristenOmdahl.com. This is beautiful, and it's kind of like this, like different weights, different spinny yarns. Oh wow, and I love the color. I wanted something blue from KnitCrate, and then there's a purple, and then it should be like a darker blue. This is just beautiful, and you get so much. It's 100 grams certified organic cotton in worsted weight yarn, 140 yards, 128 meters each, 113 grams per skein. Oh, I love it. Thank you very much, KnitCrate. I look forward to knitting one of these two shawls. I don't know which one it will be. Probably the beginner one, because I like it better than this one. This is too, or maybe this is better for summer. I don't know, but keep an eye on my Instagram if you want to see updates on what I decide to knit with this yarn. Thank you so much, KnitCrate. Don't forget to check the links in the description for 20% off with code TEO20 on your first order from KnitCrate. And please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow KnitCrate on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and also follow the link to go and get your own membership, because every month you get this beautiful little package of yarn with pattern, and in the Artisan KnitCrate you also get a little gift. But this is exciting. I'm nearly finished with my Chloris from April's membership KnitCrate. So the next one, it will be this on my needles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!